How to enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood app. So here's what you need. First thing first, open the Robinhood app and tap on the accounts or the person icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you want to make sure to tap on menu or settings or the gear icon and select security and privacy from the list. As soon as you do that, you want to make sure to tap on two-factor authentication. Here, you want to select or just open the app to automatically add your security key to your authenticator like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. You can then copy the generated code from your Authenticator app, paste it into your Robinhood and tap on continue. Once you do it so, you can then copy the generated code from your Authenticator app, paste it into your Robinhood and tap on continue once again. After which, you could save your backup code in a secure location in case you lose access to your device. And that's how you're supposed to enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.